Okay guys, so bare months na, yung iba nag-sale, yung ibang store. Pero dito, since bare months na, hindi kami mag-sale. Di ba? Mamimigay kami! It's the season of giving. Nice to meet you, man!
Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Salamat!
Salamat is thank you.
Yeah.
Pogi, pogi.
Pogi means handsome.
Handsome.
Yeah.
Maganda.
Is pretty. Beautiful.
Maganda,
Yeah.
maganda.
Yeah. What's up guys? Nandito kami ngayon sa Prism Store. So wala pa si Carl, hintayin natin dumating. Feeling ko nagpapakulot pa yun. Pero habang wala siya, magbenta muna tayo ng mga sapatos. Let's go! Where? Which area, brother?
My brother buys something from you.
Before! You guys already bought before. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Repeat customer, right? Thanks, brother. What's your name, bro? David. Nico, bro.
Yeah.
And bro, what's your name, bro?
I'm Prince, bro.
Prince?
Yeah.
Nice name, bro. Nico. Nice to meet you, brother. Thank you.
I'm coming back.
Amiri,
I'm coming back.
I have one exact same pair for myself. I have one. I like this. I like this. For sure, bro. For sure.
Maybe ending of the month or next month.
Okay, brother. Yeah, sure. But is it your size?
No. When I come, I'm gonna pre-order.
Okay, you're gonna pre-order. Okay, sounds good, bro. What did you buy last time? What pair?
I got this sneakers here. So
Which one?
I don't know if you're the one I met or
Maybe it's my staff before.
yeah. But it was a guy once like
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Prince and bro David, right? Yeah.
Sir David.
Thank you, bro David. Nice to meet you, man.
Kamusta?
Salamat is thank you.
Yeah.
Pogi.
Pogi means handsome. Yeah.
Maganda.
Is pretty. Beautiful.
Maganda.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Ay guys, mga Nigerian na customer natin before daw. I think sila Ian pa yung nag-assist sa kanila before, no? Familiar nga eh. So, si Sir Prince daw, tsaka si Sir David, guys, bumili sila ng Kobe 8, tama? Venice Beach, and we sold it for 17.5, tama? 17.5. So, yun, guys. We posted on our TikTok page. You can follow our TikTok and then you can...
I don't have my TikTok.
You don't have TikTok?
I have TikTok.
We have IG.
Okay, we have your IG.
Yeah. Let me type it. So we post all our videos here. Just go to the reels and then you'll see all the...
I have my friend following you.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you, bro. Okay, so tingnan nyo lang yung IG natin para mapanood nila yung video nila pag pinost daw natin. So yun. Okay guys, so bare months na, yung iba nag-sale, yung ibang store. Pero dito, since bare months na, hindi kami mag-sale. Di ba? Mamimigay kami! It's the season of giving.
Season of giving, guys.
So yan, so si Carl is gonna give away one of his used na pero personal, case ng Rimowa. Giveaway lang. Giveaway lang.
Giveaway lang. This is for iPhone 16 Pro Max kasi nga.
iPhone 16 Pro
Nagpa-reserve na ako ng iPhone 17. Kaka-release lang guys. Kaka-announce lang pala. Nagpa-reserve na ako ng iPhone 17. So need ko lang na instead na ibenta ko na lang. Ibigay ko muna sa inyo guys kasi used naman eh. So requirements guys. Ano?
Hindi never naman tayo nagbigay ng
Hindi na?
mechanics na kakaiba. So simple lang. All you need to do is go to the store so that we can, document also and vlog the part where you claim your price. That's one. Number two is you have to be a previous customer ng Prism. You have to have at least bought any item here at Prism and then yun lang. Tapos kung sino yung unang dumating.
Tsaka siyempre dapat may iPhone 16 Pro Max din doon.
Oo, sige. Dapat isusukat
kasi
mo sa
kakasya
iPhone.
kakasya natin dun sa cellphone niya.
That's it guys. Yun lang yung mechanics natin sa giveaway natin. Punta lang kayo dito. May iPhone 16 kayo. Tapos, kailangan bumili na kayo dito before. Doesn't matter kung ano yung binili nyo. Basta bumili na kayo. Basta customer kayo ng Prism.
Ganito yung fitting niya, di ba? All black.
So ayan guys, kakalis lang nila ma'am. Bali, bumili siya ng Cloud Tilt. I think that's sand color. We sold it for 16.5. Kaso ayaw magpa-vlog ni ma'am. Actually, may mga sales tayo today na ayaw din magpa-vlog. Katulad ni Sir Ian kanina, bumili siya ng Human Made and bumili rin siya ng Bodega na cassette bag. So, we sold the Human Made shirt, duck shirt, triple XL. For 10,000 pesos lang, tumawag siya ng 500. And then we sold the cassette na color brown. We sold it for 125,000 pesos lang, guys. Small version. So, we have the red one. We have the black one on hand as well. Pero yun, so, syempre respect natin yung privacy ng mga customers natin kapag hindi naman lahat gusto magpa-vlog and all that. Pero talagang moving and mabenta pa rin talaga natin. Is on pa rin yung binibili ng mga customers. Human Made sa apparel. And then in terms of the bag, Bodega is the upcoming trend.
Drip check na, sir.
Drip check na, sige si Carl muna. Go.
Ito guys, kakarating lang na. So, ba? Ngamas, bro! Akin na to ha. Display sana to guys, pero kinuha ko na on hand eh.
Oh, wala na kami stock daw, pre-order.
Okay guys, this is the Ami Paris sweatshirt na colored. For this size, this is 19,500. Siyempre, available sa Prism Store. And sa pants ko, GU. Then, my shoes is the
Paint
Maison
splatter.
Margiela. Na paint splatter. This is 42,000 pesos.
43,000.
43,000. Tumaas pala
No,
guys.
that's the retail price naman.
Retail price. Ba't tayo nagbebenta na retail?
Siyempre, yung tayo.
Sikat. Guys, pero sa watch ko, may iba guys. Speedmaster na Snoopy guys, yung black. Siyempre, di ba? Para
Magkano yun? Available sa atin yung for 25,000 lang.
35.
25.
25,000 available sa amin guys. Ayun, si brother naman kasi all black din siya.
Okay, sasayaw kami. So, for the cap, I'm wearing MLB. For the shirt, I'm wearing LV. This is 110,000. And then for the pants, I'm wearing Uniqlo. Tapos, for the shoes, GDB Superstar 35,000 available. And then for the watch, Yachtmaster.